Hello, this is Jay, co-producer of A State of Ride, and I've got a question for you. Does your Zoom look and sound like this? This is a test of the default audio and video settings recorded within Zoom. When you really want it to sound like this, high fidelity audio settings and HD video recorded from within Zoom. Wow. How did you do that? Was it magic? No, it's not magic. And if you have 10 minutes, I'm going to show you how I did that. So first things first, let's get this right out of the way. If you're using a laptop and you're using the internal microphone of it, while this will improve it some, you're going to get the best results using an external mic or a cordless mic. Here at A State of Ride, we use the Rode Wireless Go 2. You can find a link to that in the description below. Also, all of the other equipment that we use to produce A State of Ride, you can find links to that as well. So with that out of the way, let's go through and look at the settings you can change to drastically improve your audio quality within Zoom. Okay, let's get started. First thing I'm going to want you to do is open a web browser and navigate to the Zoom website. And once you're in there, log in, and you should be greeted with this screen. And what you're going to want to do is click on the Settings tab. So once we click on the Settings tab, grab the scroll bar, and we're going to go almost all the way to the bottom. What you're looking for is this right here, where it says allow users to select stereo audio in their client settings. And we want to turn that on. Once we turn that on, you'll see a little prompt at the top that says the settings have been updated. And what you've just done is you've unlocked a hidden setting within the actual Zoom app. So once you're done with that, we're done. You can close that window. And now what we're going to want to do is we can open Zoom. If you already have Zoom open, be sure to close it and then reopen it, or else this setting won't take effect. So we're going to open the Zoom app. We're going to go up to the upper right-hand corner here where the little gear icon is to get into your settings. We're going to click that. What we want to do is we want to click the audio tab, and you'll see a whole bunch of stuff here. The speaker, where your speaker is going to, your microphone, where you can choose your mic. First thing we want to change is just below the microphone tab here, there's this checkbox already checked that says automatically adjust microphone volume. We don't want that. So let's click that off, because what we want to do is we want to be able to adjust the mic with this slider. And we want to set it at its optimum level and just leave it. So with that out of the way, let's scroll down a little bit. Next thing we're looking for is this box here that's not checked that says show in meeting option to enable original sound. We do want to click that. Once we click that, in Zoom, when you're actually in your meeting, up in the upper left-hand corner, there's going to be a new button that says Enable Original Sound. When you click that, your microphone will come through as it is. There won't be any enhancements or anything done behind the scenes by Zoom to the sound of your voice. So you're actually going to get true sound. After you click that, you'll also notice that 3 more items have opened. So let's talk about these. First one is high fidelity music mode. This is one of the biggest things here. If we click that, you've gone from low fidelity, or think telephone quality sound, up to near CD quality sound. So we definitely want to click that. Number 2 is echo cancellation. Now, this you're going to have to look at on a case-by-case basis based on where you are and how you're actually teaching your class. If you're using headphones or AirPods or something like that to listen, click this off because you don't need it. But if you have speakers that are playing the music, you want to leave that on, because what's going to happen is if your microphone picks up that audio, you're going to create that echo and you're going to get that loop. So you'll leave it on if you're using speakers. If you're using headphones, turn it off. Lastly is stereo audio, and it does exactly just what it says it does. Originally, you were broadcasting mono, so both of your channels combined into one single channel. Now you have stereo audio. So if you have, good pumping tunes, you're actually going to hear it stereo. And honestly, that's it. That's all you needed to do. So if you found this video helpful at all, please comment below, like, share, and subscribe. And with that, was just a couple tips to help you improve your Zoom class. I'm Ben Jayo. Peace.
Yeah, well, we've told people why we're here. And that's why Chops is here. He's like, come on, man, will you just hurry up? But I'm going to wait till Reese comes in. Oh, dude, you serious? Mate, the crotch cam kills me, bud. It's the most unflattering angle you can ever get,
That's
bro.
That's fantastic.
Holy moly.
Actually, what I need to do is I needed to go to this one because I have to do this.
You're such a funny bugger.